everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a quick review of these cute products from SkinFood. These are called the sugar topping masks. They look adorable. There are 4 different ones. So I'm going to go through, talk about each of them and show them on and kind of give you guys an idea of what I think about them. So these are what the products look like. They're absolutely so adorable. They look very much like little ice cream topping kind of things, which is super, super cute. I love any kind of like beauty or skincare product that kind of looks like a kind of candy treat or anything like that. So I got these from Rose Shop. They were $2.89 a piece, which I think is a pretty good price. They are a little bit small. These are 50 milliliters, but one thing I've noticed is that you don't need very much of this at all. I don't know if they sell larger sizes of this or not. I wasn't able to really find any, so I guess this is like the full size of the product, which is a little bit small, but again, I don't think you need to use very much product at all. And I'm actually kind of glad that it's not this huge giant container. That way I can really go through these, use them up, and like move on to the next thing, because I'm always wanting to try new products. So the first one is coconut. This one says nourishing. The next one is strawberry. This one says brightening. Next is apple, and it says watery. I don't really know what that's supposed to mean. And then the last one I have is honey, and this one is glow. So the first thing I noticed whenever I was using these was how amazing they smell. They smell like the true authentic fruit that they are. So the coconut one smelled exactly like real coconut cream. It smelled amazing. It didn't have any kind of artificial scent at all. And the coconut one actually has like little coconut rice like flakes in it as well. So it's very softly exfoliating. The strawberry one also smells absolutely amazing. It smells like a fresh, like true mashed strawberry. And this one has actual strawberry seeds in it, so again, it's very like slight. There's not really enough strawberry seeds in it to actually exfoliate, but it does smell amazing, and it makes my skin feel extremely soft and smooth after I've washed it off. The apple one also has little particles of like the apple skin in it as well. This one, I would have to say, if I was going to rank these, this one's probably my least favorite, but it's still really good. It definitely had an apple scent, but it was a very more subdued scent compared to the other ones. Like the other 3 are very like strongly scented of like fresh fruit. This one was just a little bit more subdued. And then the last one, honey, it smells and looks and feels exactly like just like raw honey on the skin. This one doesn't have any kind of particles or anything in it. And again, another super easy one to clean off because there's no particles in it, and it is extremely thin. And how I like to apply these is to use a like foundation brush that I use for like applying all my face masks. I find that that's the perfect way to apply these. These are not the type of masks that you're going to really like thickly apply or kind of like goop up on your face like a lot of like clay masks or things like that. This is really like it's called a sugar topping mask. It really is kind of like a thin consistency mask. So this one you just very thinly apply, and I find it works perfectly. It smells amazing. I love the coconut one. And another thing I love about these is since they are so thin, they're extremely easy to wash off. I've had some like clay masks that just like are very kind of stubborn to remove because they kind of like harden to the skin, which I like those masks too, but they're a little bit more work. These are super extremely easy due to how thin they are. The coconut one is the most like creamy out of the 4, but the other 3 are very like gel-like kind of consistencies, and when they dry they kind of have a little bit of a slight tacky kind of feeling to them. And the instructions just say to apply these for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash them off. I just can't get over how cute they are. They are very nice on the skin. I love the way they smell. I love the way they feel. They're super easy to clean up, and they're so incredibly adorable. They're also extremely inexpensive, and even though the size of them, I do agree, is just a little bit small. To be honest, I think it's the perfect size for these because like I said, you don't use very much of these, and I feel like this would go a lot farther than you might think. So even though they're so inexpensive, you could definitely get all 4 of them if you wanted. For those who don't want to just like go and buy all of them like I do, if I were to rank these, I feel like my top 2 favorites would be the coconut and the strawberry one. My second favorite would be the honey one, and then my least favorite would be the apple one. Again, this one's not bad at all. It just didn't have as strong as a scent as the other ones. As far as how different they are from each each other. I feel like they're all pretty similar to each other in the actual end result on my skin. They all leave my skin feeling really like nicely moisturized. Nothing super crazy, but it is kind of more of like the experience of these. So if you're interested in only getting like 1 or 2 of them, I would totally recommend it. I even like all 4 of them, and I will definitely continue to use these. And I just love at how adorable they are. And again, they smell absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.